Vicky here with you, and today I'm here for an unboxing, and it's from Onedaysaving, and I can't wait to share with you guys what I got. I think you're gonna like it. You will find in the description box below the link to all the products that are in here, as well as a discount code in case you're interested in going to check them out. So, the first thing is this here, which I'm so excited about, because this is a notebook, but it has a beautiful owl on top, and as you can see, this portion is diamond painting, so very, very cool. And it's a paper that is as you can see, like there's no line or anything, so I figured I could use this for drawing. So I can't wait to try it out. I love their pouch as well to keep everything together. It's very cool, so I don't have to put it in a separate pouch. And then we have this here. I love when I can find things that I have some use for, and you know, like I can use afterwards for different things. Now, you know how much I love making cards, and I know you love seeing me make cards. And when I saw these, I thought, wow, those would be amazing. So those are all stickers of butterflies. Check this out. I mean, how cool are these, right? So you can take your time and do all the diamond paintings, and then you do a card session. How cool is that? I can't wait to be making some cards with these. They're just so beautiful. So we will be working on these for sure very soon. Okay, I won't put this back together while I'm with you guys. And then this here, I just had to get this because I love making little gifts, and I thought these would be awesome little gift. So they're all little keychains, but check out how adorable are these. So obviously they're both sides, and you can, aren't these just so sweet? I just thought they were totally adorable and would be a welcome addition to a letter or something. And yeah, so that's what I got to play with. I'm pretty sure that you guys will love this. I can't wait to know which of the products is your favorite. I would love to know. And don't forget to go and check them out in the description box below. And if you get the items I got, well, then we can make them at the same time. So love you all so much, and take care, and I will see you guys soon, very soon, with one of the makes. I'm not quite sure which one yet. I will have to decide that one. So see you soon. Bye.